Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff, PHEV stuff, and everything that's Mitsubishi related. Super exciting times. Finally, the all new Outlander PHEV 2023. They're starting to land day by day. We're getting more and more cars, and we just got this. So this is fully loaded as it gets, white with two-tone roof. And it's the premium interior, so it also has premium interior, and this one has the massage seats. I can't wait to test them out. I'll be posting a lot more videos about all content very soon. We'll do the real life mileage test on electric only range, so make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already for a lot more PHEV content. Right now in this video, what we'll do is we'll unwrap this Outlander PHEV. So this is how they come from the factory, covered with plastic on the hood, the wheels, the roof, and all the interior is covered to protect from any type of possible damage from transporting and whatnot. So in this video we'll unwrap this Mitsubishi and we'll talk about the features that it has. So thank you so much for watching it. Again, subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get to work. Let's unwrap this PHEV. Let's start with unwrapping the hood, then we'll do wheels, then the roof, and then we'll do the interior. So let's check out what's underneath the hood. So we do have a very nice engine. It's a 2.4 liter engine, and it also has extended range due to larger fuel tank and of course the larger battery. So that's super exciting. And basically what we'll do now, we'll just remove the plastic from the hood, so that way we can see how it looks fully unwrapped. I love this sound, and there's nothing more exciting than unwrapping it. So there we go. And now let's get the roof done. So roof, we have two sections here, one of the spoiler wing, and then the other one is on the roof part itself. And it's done. Look at this nice black roof. I mean, it looks great. Now for the wheels, all the wheels are covered with this plastic here, and basically it's the same thing. The purpose is to make sure they don't get damaged. And then one by one, we just unwrap these 20-inch wheels. They look awesome. Same wheel design as on the regular Outlander, but this is just a PHEV, so we'll do all four of them. Okay, so we just unwrapped all the plastic that was on the vehicle, and then we still have left this, so this kind of peels off easily. There's some barcode. I have no idea what it's for. And then as we move here, we have a little bit of plastic here, so basically that's to make sure that the doors does not get dented when they get transported, so we can easily remove that as well now that the vehicle arrived safely here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. And then this one here, again, there's some is this part of the VIN? Yes, so that's the part of the VIN right here, so that way they can, I guess, scan and label the cars from the factory. So that we did, they unwrapped. Now we can move into interior, and I just love how this white one looks. White with two-tone roof. I mean, it's truly best of the best. So right now let's get the inside done. So this is how it comes from the factory. The interior is all covered with plastic, so we do have driver, passenger side is covered. The sunroof is closed, so basically the shade is over it. And yeah, so what else? We have these stickers here to protect door sills as well on the driver's side. Basically we'll check that in a sec, so from jumping in and out, just to make sure that nobody scratches like the door sill part of it, right? So let's remove this now. And then in a second, we'll also go and check out the trunk. we are gonna look for that charger and everything else. So, and then here, once we're inside, so here these sun visors, so they're actually sliding a little bit like this, so we can block the sun better. And they are also covered with plastic, just to make sure that again, nobody, you know, backs and grabs with their hands and makes them dirty. So this one here, again, it's some type of barcodes and VIN number just to identify the vehicle. We see some things written on Japanese. This is made in Japan, so it's very, very cool. These Outlander PHEVs are made in Japan. Very nice. And then this screen part is protected right here as well. There we go. We just take that off. We're also gonna take this off. It sounds very nice and crunchy, so if there would be a full-time job, all right, in an instant. Okay, and let's remove the second row now. Okay, this is how it looks. Again, everything is nicely protected to make sure that nothing gets dirty on the way here. And this here is a GT-P, so it's a fully loaded. That's what we like. That's what we want. This. Just like in the regular Outlander, so these seats can be adjusted like this, right? So each separately, and then this back part can be adjusted like that. So pretty cool. And this one here is with massage seat as well. So, but right now, let's go and check out the trunk. Okay, and this is how the trunk looks, again, from the factory. What's in here? Looks like charger bag. And it's actually clipped on right here. Wow, that's pretty cool. You have these tie hooks. Let's check it out. Yes, this is a charger. Okay, so here's the charger. I would say we're not gonna unpack the charger right now, but it looks a little bit you know what, might as well, let's unpack it. This is unwrapping video after all. Otherwise I'll need to do another video on the charger itself. Okay, the design of it is slimmer than the old generation for sure. So obviously they have improved the technology. So, and this is the part that plugs in. We have a nice little cap there from what I can see. Yes, so when we don't use it, we just put the cap on like this. When we use it, it goes right here. It's made much nicer, sleeker, better, to be honest, than the old chargers. So great job on that for Mitsubishi. Happy to see that. And it comes with a cool bag that actually clips on right here. Very smart. And we have floor mats as well. And the special thing about floor mats, they do have this blue Outlander outline. So it still says Outlander right here, but you have this blue outline right here. So, you know, that stands out a lot too. That's a very nice part. And this one here is the license plate bracket for the front. So you put this on and then you attach your license plate right here. So the cool thing, of course, for the Outlanders PHEVs is that they're still super all-wheel controls, and they're also all 7-seaters. So we have the third row folded down right here. So we'll do how do we fold it up? We will do oops, I folded down by accident. Okay, we'll figure it out. Does it just flip up like that? Oh, actually, you know what? I was doing it the wrong way. There we go. So obviously I have like some stuff in the back there, but you fold it out like this, and then you a little bit closer at this third row in a second here, so that way you know what's what, because this is the first time I'm seeing the third row, and I got a little bit confused, mixed up, and folded down the seat by accident. So we'll have a look, closer look at the third row here in a second, just so everybody knows what's going on. Unwrap of the 2023 GT-P. This is fully loaded white with two-tone interior. So exterior is two-tone, interior is two-tone, as good as it gets. This one also has massage seats. I'll show you the massage seats button real quick. It's right here. Click right there and you get your back massaged. And this is here, that plastic that I was talking about earlier, basically to protect from jumping in and out, so the dorsal part does not get damaged. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like all these PHEVs as much as I do. We'll have a lot more content like this, and see you next video.